I know. I know.
I'm stopping you?
Yes, sir.
Why is that?
Because I was pulling my buddy.
Gotcha. You got your license?
Yes, sir.
Who's your buddy? What's his name? Where you coming from?
I'm just heading to Durham, 307.
You know you can't be doing that, right?
I did not.
Now see, this is your driver's license?
Yes, sir.
You've been some bad days. Would you just get scared when I turned around on you and you tried to gun it down here?
No, I didn't gun it, but he said, hey, he's coming after. He's like, you might want to go. I was like, yeah, I might want to head that direction. But when I seen you, I was like, I'm not even going to do that.
Yeah.
There's my insurance.
All right.
And there's my registration.
Where do you work at?
I am actually a landscaper for Pretty Bird Landscaping. I recently just left my job at Speedway.
Hadn't had any tickets, huh?
No, sir. Try to keep it responsible most days, but he needed a ride from Bay, and he came all the way from Kitty Hawk Road. I was like, you know what, you just hang on, I'll just go real slow and easy, but...
You can't do that.
Okay.
You do not
I'm
know that now.
I'm
right?
fully aware of that now.
Hang tight on the bike.
Yes, sir.
Right,
Well, that sucks. God damn it, Dusty. Oh, please, for the love of God, don't write me a fucking ticket. Moto Madness. See what the verdict is today.
Alright, Christopher, because you've been so cooperative
Yes,
polite
sir.
today, I could wrote you about 2 citations. I'm going to give you a break with a warning.
Thank you so much.
Carrying somebody on